Hi friends, welcome back to Arc Tutorials. This is JavaScript top 40 one-liners that every developer must know. This is an amazing series where we are writing one-line code snippets, but they are extremely powerful, extremely important, extremely helpful on our day-to-day job. In today's episode, we are going to learn how to shuffle an array. Now let's say you get an input as an array in a sequence, but you need to shuffle it every time based on user preferences or say on every refresh, etc. How do you shuffle an array? Let's get started and do that in one line of code. This is part 24 of the series, guys, and if you have missed out on the first 23 episodes, make sure that you go through each one of them. These are really amazing code snippets. You're going to love each one of them. Alright, let's get started with today's episode. Today, this is episode part 23.html. Oh, sorry, 24. My bad. Alright, doc type HTML, then head section, then body, and then now let's go ahead and write the script, internal script, and this is where we are going to write our function which will shuffle an array. So let's call it shuffle array. And what will be the expected input? It will be an array. That's what we'll pass it. And then what we'll do is array dot sort. First we'll sort it, and we can also put some logic inside it. That is the function. And what we'll do here is use a simple math function dot random, and what this will do randomly and do minus say 0.5. Okay, that's all we need to do to shuffle this. Okay, alright, so it will shuffle and it will sort based on this value that will be randomly produced. Okay, that's the most simplest thing you can do to shuffle an array. Now let me show you that in action. Let's say original array is 1 2 3 4 5. That's the original array, and now we'll say shuffled array equal to, let's call our method and pass the original array as input and do a console log for shuffled array. Alright, so that's the most simplest thing. All we are doing is we are taking the array, we are sorting, and inside the sort function, right, it takes a callback function where we are saying math.random minus 0.5. That's all. Okay, now let's see how this works. Now we'll in Finder. I'm going to share all of this code snippets in GitHub in my account, so make sure that you also access it and get it. So now you see 4 1 3 2 5. Let's refresh. Now the sequence has changed. 5 4 3 2 1. Let's refresh. Now it says 1 5 2 3 4. Let's refresh. So see 1 3 2. So it's every time changing the sequence. That is on every refresh the data is changing. Now this is helpful, especially let's say you're building some portal where you're showing some data, and on every refresh the sequence should change or something like that. You can use the simple one-liner and get your job done. So what are we doing? We are just taking the array, sorting it using math.random and make it with minus 0.5, and you get the new shuffled array. That's the most simplest code I can share you to shuffle an array. I hope you can try this out, and I hope it works. Do let me know if you have any questions around it. I'll be more than happy to help you. Till then, keep learning, keep growing. See you in the part 25. I hope you are liking this series. If you are, please do hit that like button for me. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much. See you in the next episode.